Hi, this is Vic. I'm going to take a second and show you how to redeem your free book code on Apple Books. You go in here on your iPhone or computer or iPad, whatever you are, find out where your Apple Books icon is. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're there, you'll come up to your account. And if you don't, just hit reading books now. It'll take you back to your account. And go up here into the right-hand corner where your account's located. That's your picture, whatever you're using to represent your account. You click on that. You come down to, scroll down to redeem gift card or code. Click on that. And you have a chance to enter it either using your camera or just below that, you can hit the enter manual code and just enter it manually for yourself. And that's all you need to do. Just follow instructions from there. You should get your book.